When you get the chance, do you ever just stop and stare and look at nature? And you recognize that with the months that go past, certain seasons change, and the leaves on the trees seem to know exactly what to do. They change. They change when they're ready. They change when they need to. There's no one controlling it. There's no one's in control but the trees. And you know that they're alive because they act accordingly. They're alive. If they weren't alive, they would not change. But they are alive. They are here. They know that we are here, and yet they do their job. Take a chance to go outside. No music, no headphones, just your eyes and your body and your awareness. That's all it needs, and that's all nature takes. Eyes, body, and awareness. And just look around you and just notice all of the different colors on the trees. Wonder why they change red. Take some time out and focus.